Hi! Recently I watched a tutorial by Nick on the Grayscale Gorilla channel and decided to make my own version in Blender. I shared it and some people on Twitter asked for a tutorial. So here it is. It's not an exact copy of Apple's animation, but it's close. I believe everything can be improved and my version is not perfect. This is just how I did it. My setup uses a Bezier circle with a camera attached. It's part of my startup file, so I use it in every project. For this shot, I switched to an orthographic camera and added background video to match the reference. I created the hello curves with geometry nodes. The trick is this specific point on the L. Next, I added shape case and adjusted the letters to form the word hello. The geometry node setup I use is quite complex. I found it a while ago, but lost the original source. If the creator contacts me, I'll add a link in the description. Once built, this setup can be used in many projects. Here is the magic. I animated the shape keys and the main part was done. The camera got some zoom at the start and some rotation. The Apple logo works just like the hello text, with a simple scale animation. Nothing fancy here, just a transition between two materials. 2 rim lights and 1 fill light. The rim lights are animated during transitions and linked to the camera rig. I didn't want to open another program like After Effects just for a fade. I prefer solving everything in Blender. I added a white plane in the front of the camera and parented it to the rig. This way it moves with the camera. The fade is not linear. I used a noise texture to control opacity and adjusted it with contrast. Don't forget to enable Alpha Blend. I added a white background in compositing. For rendering, I use these settings. Thanks for watching. Please like or dislike this video. Your feedback is important to me. I spent more time making this video than the animation itself. I hope it was helpful. Drop your questions or comments below. See you!